case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1977, a case heard by the Florida Supreme Court, Peacock Construction Company v. Modern Air Conditioning, Inc., centered on the interpretation of a contract as a matter of law when the intention of the parties was at issue. The case involved ambiguous provisions in construction contracts and aimed to interpret them in favor of subcontractors to protect them from the risk of the owner's failure to pay. Peacock Construction was sued by subcontractors Modern Air Conditioning and Overly Manufacturing for breach of contract. The subcontract stated Peacock had to make final payment within 30 days of completion of the work, written acceptance by the architect, and full payment by the owner. However, Peacock refused payment, arguing it was not obligated to pay until full payment from the owner was received. Despite the lower court granting summary judgments in favor of the plaintiffs, the Second District Court of Appeals decision conflicted with another case, Edward J. Gerrits, Inc. v. Astor Electric Service, Inc. Ultimately, the Florida Supreme Court affirmed the summary judgments of the Second District Court of Appeal and adopted them as controlling law in Florida, overruling Gerrits. This decision provided greater protection for small subcontractors, requiring general contractors to use clear contract language.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.